What is up, YouTube fam? It's been a while, man. It's been a while. That's all I can really say. It's been so long since I actually recorded a video. I'm in my backyard right now because the lawnmower guy is actually doing work in the front yard, and I want you guys to hear me. We are finally back. I'm gonna try to record today. A little update from the S14. I've had fuel line issues, so I'm just gonna show you. Let me show you. So we are working on the fuel line. I was too rough with my fuel line. Let me actually open up the car. Excuse the mess in here. I was a little bit too rough with my fuel line, and it ended up breaking, as you see right here. So we're actually gonna go to AutoZone and get a new one. So that's why I'm kind of taking this one off right now, just so I can see what length I actually need. So yeah, so that's why I have this wheel off, because the fuel line goes from the trunk down here all the way through and connects right here. Sorry, it's super hard. Connects right there. If it'll focus, it connects right there. So I'm glad that it was somewhat an easy fix. We're gonna be fixing that. It's super cool to see the wheel off. I love these wheels. I love the fitment that I have in the rear. But without further ado, we're actually gonna try to get this off. It's not gonna be too hard. I don't know which one is feed or return, so we're gonna have to take our time with the one that we actually take off. I'm gonna try to, I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna pull this down, whichever one doesn't have resistance, because obviously it's not connected. I guess that's the one I'll be taking off. I think it's this guy. Yeah. If this is the one that's cut, yeah, okay. So this is my guy. As you can tell, this one is cut. So this is the guy that I need to replace. Super easy. I hope I didn't pull any of the other ones out. Okay, they're still good. So, as of right now, I'm gonna disconnect this guy, take it to AutoZone, and I don't know, I guess get it replaced, get it in. I have the battery that's been charged for a while. There, and then hopefully that can fix the problem. Hopefully we can get it started. I have a lot of new stuff that's happened to the 240. As you saw in the last video, it's turboed now. I have the intercooler. A lot of stuff have to be freaking done to this 240 for it to even, you know, be a thing right now. But I just thought it would be a little video. You know, it's been so long since I uploaded to YouTube. I've been kind of shaky with a lot of stuff. A lot of new things are happening in my life, and I'm honestly just trying to deal with it all, you know. So sorry for not posting regularly, but a lot of new car content is coming. You know, this is what truly makes me happy. I feel like this is my happy place right now, and I kind of go here to kind of deal with everything that I'm going through. Don't really want to get super into it, but you know, this is just what I do to make myself happy, to kind of escape from all this stuff. So if I'm not, you know, working or in school, this is what I'm doing, or spending time with my daughter, with the little time that I get. So it's a super short video. I might do a separate video actually installing the fuel line. I just don't know how hard that's gonna be. So yeah. So without further ado, guys, thank you guys for watching. Quick little video. I guess this is kind of be like a tutorial to find how to find the S14 fuel line. But yeah, the fuel line just goes from the fuel pump, the top of the fuel pump, comes down, and you can access it by taking out the rear passenger tire, and you'll find all of them right there. This is one that I have to take off and I'll be replacing. So yeah, thank you guys so much. All right. So I wasn't gonna record this part of me actually after installing the new fuel line, but I have a lot of cool news. The new fuel line is on. It is super low quality. I'm not gonna lie, Spectre, I'm actually super mad at how it's kind of braided and it's starting to come off. I don't like that, but all in all, it gets the job done for right now. I was able to get it started and running, so this is gonna be the first time that I'm actually able to move my S14 in like 4 months. It's been garaged, it's sat in the same spot and has not been moved. So now we are gonna finally move it out, because even when I fixed the leak in the fuel, oh, I have stuff in my hair, Jesus. Even when I fixed the leak in the fuel, there's now a leak in the injectors, which of course you fix one problem and another problem comes up. But I can't wait to show you guys the startup of the 240. It is super loud. I'm in a gated community. I will not be surprised if somebody comes and kicks me out and tells me to move, because it is obnoxiously loud. But yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys, I guess, a freaking full exhaust delete. So, bad news, I started it up, like I said, it was obnoxiously loud, and every time I tried to give it gas, it would kind of shake and die out. So I don't even know what the problem is right now. I'm hoping that, you know, it's just the fuel pump, it's just not getting enough fuel right now. I am leaking out of the injector, that's why I kind of moved the car so I can clean it. So I'm gonna try to start it up again just to see what's going on. I'm not gonna try to move it. So right now I'm just putting on the long tube headers back on the car. The turbo is right there, as you can see, doing its thing. I was trying to put that on, but it was too much of a hassle to take off. So right now, this is gonna be, for the most part, what we're gonna be doing. But yeah, that is what we're doing right now. So hopefully it's not anything too crazy and we can fix it real quick. But we gotta take away what's good. I might even give it a wash right now, just to show it some love. I really gotta clean this this freaking garage right now. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. All right, so real quick before they freaking call security on me, I'm gonna show you guys the first startup of my 240 SX in about 6 months. Just give me some time to set the phone up. The things I do for views, guys, this is absolutely nuts. I'm pretty sure my mom's gonna kill me for getting kicked out, but oh well.